Want to boost your income without breaking the bank? Here's how. Freelancing is a great start. Offer your skills on Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Next up, take surveys. Websites like Survey Junkie or Swagbucks pay you for your opinions. Affiliate marketing is another option. Promote products and earn commissions from your blog or social media. Create content. Start a YouTube channel, TikTok, or podcast and monetize with ads and sponsorships. Try online tutoring. Tutor students on platforms like tutor.com or Chegg. Sell digital products like ebooks or online courses using Gumroad or Teachable. Virtual assistance is in demand. Offer remote support to businesses on sites like Belay or Time, etc. Start a blog. Monetize it through ads, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing. Manage social media for businesses. It requires no upfront investment. Lastly, complete microtasks on Amazon Mechanical Turk or Clickworker. Choose what fits your skills and interests and start earning today. Happy hustling.